The electrolytes are essential substances in the body required for design. What are electrolytes? The electrolytes carry an electrical charge, and these are found in fluids like the blood, the sweat, and the urine. The most popular are sodium, magnesium, and potassium, and these fulfill various functions in our body, like such as the regulating the water in our body.
Okay, so what is the function of electrolytes in our body? They are primarily responsible for normal water distribution and homeostasis throughout the body by their effect on osmotic pressure. They also play an essential role in regulating the heart and the muscle function, maintaining the pH in a good way. They also participate in other important biochemical reactions in the body. Electrolytes, in other words, help the body to maintain normal fluids levels in the fluid compartment. Because the amount of fluid compartment contains depend in the amount of electrolytes in it.
Strong and weak electrolytes. The strong electrolytes include the strong bases, the strong acids, and the salts. These chemicals completely dissociate into ions in a aqueous solution. The weak electrolytes only break in ions in water. Weak electrolytes include the weak acids, the weak bases, and most of other compounds. Most of the compounds that contains the nitrogen are weak electrolytes.
Now I'm going to explain what is the amount of daily electrolytes. Okay, so to maintain the normal body stores and a normal concentration in plasma and interstitial fluid, you need to take about 40 MAQE a day, and maybe be needed year before more. It will be appear that the minimum requirement in the body is like 1016 to 2000 milligrams. So this is equal to 40 to 50 mUq per day.
Okay, hi. So Gatorade is a sport drink that was originally created for athletes. Though it is now drunk by many non-athletes, it was created by Dr. Robert Cate and Dr. Dana Shires at the University of Florida. Its purpose is not to only rehydrate, but to replace the carbohydrates, salts, vitamins, and minerals lost in respiration. I choose Gatorade because it is one of my favorite drinks. Water is the most logical form of hydration. However, sport drinks like Gatorade contain sugar and electrolytes like sodium and potassium. Sport drinks can help replace what we lose during longer duration exercise, especially in the head. It has sodium and other electrolytes in sports drinks, like Gatorade and other beverages like Propel, help to replace the electrolytes lost in sweat. Electrolyte replacement is especially important when exercising for prolonged periods of time or in hot and. Now I'm going to mention the compounds of Gatorade. And Gatorade contains water, sucrose, and glucose fructose syrup, citric acid, sodium chloride, sodium citrate, monopotassium phosphate, and flavoring and coloring ingredients. The electron configuration, so it's Gatorade is made of different compounds, and we are going to show us the electron configuration of one of her elements. So electron configuration of Gatorade is made of different compounds, and we are going to show you the electron configuration of one of her elements. And the electron configuration in it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s1.
So now I'm going to show us the electron configuration of water, and is made of two atoms of hydrogen and one of oxygen. So what is a good hydration process? You should drink water every day, like I said, but most of people have been told that they should drink 6 to 8 ounce glasses of water each day. That's a reasonable goal. However, different people need different amount of water to stay hydrated because all the bodies are different. And the most healthy people can stay well hydrated by drinking water and other fluids whenever they feel thirsty. For some people, fewer than 8 glasses can be enough, but to other people, by her body process can be needed more than 8 glasses of water per day.
Impact of correct and wrong hydration. Your body depends for the water to survive. Every cell, tissue, and organ needs water to work properly. For example, your body uses water to maintain its temperature, remove wastage, and lubricate your joints. Water is needed for overall good health.
So now we are going to explain us the drink that we choose, and we choose this drink because it's a easy drink to do in your house, and they give us all the electrolytes that your body needs in a day.
Of water to make your electrolyte drink stronger or smoother. In addition, we use the citrus fruits because it is one of the sources of electrolytes. Our electrolyte drink contains 1/2 cup of natural orange juice, 1/4 cup of lemon, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar, and 1/8 tablespoon of salt.
So now I'm going to do analysis of the effects by a high or less quantity of electrolytes in our brain and their development in our body. So they can affect overhydration, and the symptoms of that is that often absent, but they severe overhydration, confusion, or seizures can occur in our body. Another symptom is dehydration. That dehydration can be consequence of vomiting, diarrhea, and exceeding sweating, burns, kidney failure, and they intake diuretics. So we can see in that is too many important for the human body to be in good levels of electrohydrates, because we need it, and if you don't have the enough quantity of that, you can have one of these diseases.